Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I just thought I'd bring you along while I'm making dinner tonight. I have some salmon here, and I have about 8 ounces of, I chopped up some lobster, and I have some shrimp that I chopped up. And these were pre-cooked. I'm going to put them in my bowl because I'm going to make a stuffing with these. And we're going to stuff our salmon with lobster and shrimp. So let's get this going. And then we're going to put it in the oven and bake them, okay? So I'm going to put in my mayonnaise. And just eyeball it, guys. Measure with your heart. Okay. And I have some Dijon. And I have some parsley here. I'm just going to put the rest in, the rest of that little container. I'm going to put in a little bit of lemon juice, about a teaspoon, teaspoon and a half. Some Worse Than Your Sister sauce. And I have some Old Bay. And I'm going to just go ahead and start mixing this up. And I'm going to add some breadcrumbs. I think I only have panko left, so that's what we're going to use. Okay, I add the panko in. And now I'm going to go get an egg. Okay, the egg is in. It's going to help bind everything. And add a little bit more protein. Okay, guys. I'm going to set that aside. Now, these aren't the best looking salmon pieces, but it's what I have, and we're going to go with that. Okay. So, can you see what I'm doing? Okay. And we're going to stuff these, I guess. Excuse me. I'm going to cut them down this way. Just make a slit. Oh yeah, just like that. And then I have my cast iron here, and we're just gonna fill these up, okay? Just like this. And we're going to put them in this cast iron pan. And we're going to put them in the oven for about 10-15 minutes. Okay, let me wash my hands. Okay, I'm going to take some more Old Bay and I'm going to just sprinkle a little bit over the top. Just like that. And into a 350-degree oven for 10 to 15 minutes till they're nice and done. Okay guys, I have some of the stuffing left. I added some more panko. So now I'm going to fry these up and make lobster shrimp cakes to go along with the salmon. Okay guys, this is what we're having for dinner tonight. It's just a seafood all around protein dinner. Didn't the fish come out gorgeous? And the lobster shrimp cakes. And we have tartar sauce and cocktail sauce on the side. Looks for to be yummy for the tummy. Thanks for hanging out with me today, guys. I love you. See you soon.